Is the 2025 Corvette C9 the supercar that changes everything? In just 4 minutes, let's find out. Welcome back, car lovers. Today we're diving into the 2025 Corvette C9, the newest chapter in Chevrolet's legendary lineup. The C9 isn't just an upgrade, it's a bold redefinition of the American supercar. In a world where automakers are going electric, the Corvette C9 stands as a testament to internal combustion with a shockingly powerful engine and stunning design. So, what makes the C9 such a game-changer? Let's break it down in our signature 4-minute review format. First, let's talk about the exterior design. The C9 builds on Corvette's iconic design language while taking massive strides into the future. Up front, the C9's headlights are sharper, more sculpted, and more aerodynamic, seamlessly integrated into the carbon fiber composite nose. It's a nod to the past with a futuristic twist. The lower front splitter and canards hint at the car's performance capabilities, promising improved aerodynamics and downforce. From the side, the C9 looks more planted with its wider stance and muscular haunches. This is a classic Corvette cue, but executed with more precision and flair. The result is a car that looks ready to pounce, hinting at the thrilling performance that awaits. Around back, the C9 has a new integrated rear wing that pays homage to the original 1963 Stingray while incorporating modern materials and technology. The taillights are a standout feature, echoing the C8's design, but now with a darker, more sinister look. All in all, the C9's exterior is a masterful blend of nostalgia and innovation, resulting in a supercar that looks both timeless and cutting edge. But the C9 isn't just about looks. It's also packing serious performance upgrades. Under the hood, the standard 6.2-liter LT2 V8 engine now features twin turbochargers, cranking out over 650 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. This is a significant leap in power for the Corvette, making it one of the most formidable muscle cars on the market. For those seeking extreme performance, a hybrid performance option will be available, featuring an electric motor that delivers instant torque and takes the C9's total output close to 800 horsepower. This marks the first time Chevrolet has offered a hybrid powertrain in the Corvette, showcasing the brand's commitment to pushing boundaries. With these performance upgrades, the C9 promises heart-pounding acceleration and an adrenaline-filled driving experience. Stepping inside, the C9's interior is a luxurious yet driver-focused space. High-quality materials abound, including premium leather upholstery, carbon fiber trim, and aluminum sport pedals. The centerpiece of the C9's interior is its next-gen infotainment system, featuring a large touchscreen and seamless smartphone integration. The system is intuitive and responsive, providing a premium user experience. Another notable feature is the driver-focused augmented reality heads-up display, which projects essential information such as speed and turn-by-turn navigation right onto the windshield. This innovative use of technology enhances the driving experience without distracting from the road ahead. But the C9's technological advancements don't stop there. The car also features advanced driver assistance systems, including automatic emergency braking, lane keeping, and adaptive cruise control. These systems not only enhance safety, but also provide drivers with valuable support, making the C9 one of the most technologically advanced Corvettes ever. When it comes to driving, the C9 offers a balanced blend of precision and comfort. The steering is sharp and responsive, providing drivers with a sense of control and confidence. The suspension has been upgraded to deliver improved handling and a smoother ride, ensuring that the C9 remains planted on the road no matter the conditions. The hybrid powertrain further enhances the driving experience by offering near-silent electric-only driving for everyday cruising. So is the 2025 Corvette C9 the supercar that changes everything? We say yes. The C9 represents a significant evolution in the Corvette's design and performance. Its combination of classic American muscle with modern technology and European styling is a winning formula that's sure to turn heads and burn the roads. That wraps up our 4-minute review of the 2025 Corvette C9. Let us know what you think. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. See you next time.